this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a very easy star. First, make a slip knot. I'm gonna use 5mm hook and a medium weight yarn. And first, we're going to make a slip knot. Hold your yarn the way you want it, how comfortable you are, and then insert your hook under the yarn, twist it 180 degrees, yarn over, and pull through in that loop in your hook. Pull and pull to make it a little bit tight. Enough space for our hook now, and that is our slip knot. So to begin round 1, we are going to make a chain of 4. So 1, yarn over and pull through. That is our second chain. Yarn over and pull through. That is our third chain. Last one, yarn over and pull through. That is our fourth chain. So we have here a total of 4 chains in total. So let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 chains in total. Now we're going to make 2 double crochet in the very first chain. So if this is your first time making double crochet, it goes like this. Yarn over, count from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go to that chain in the 4th chain from your hook or the very first chain. Yarn over and grab that yarn and pull. You have 3 loops in your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. So we're going to repeat that one more time in the same chain. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 again. I have here a total of 3 double crochet. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, our first double crochet, second and third. Now we're going to make a chain of 2. So yarn over and pull through. That's our first chain. One more time, yarn over and pull through. That's our second chain. And then in the first chain, the same chain, we're going to make 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain here, like that. Yarn over and pull, making double crochet the same one. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again, yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Last one, yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat chain 2, 1 and 2. And in the same chain, place 3 double crochet again. 1. In the same chain, insert your hook. That one. 3 double crochet again. 2. In the same chain, another double crochet. After making a chain of 2. So I will repeat that 2 more times. Chain 2, 1, 2. Insert your hook in the same chain. Place 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. and last one, 3 double crochet in the same chain. 1, 2, and last one, 3. So now we're going to make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. So let's count. 1, 2. Wait, this is your first chain here in the bottom. 1, 2. I lost here. This is our first chain. 1, 2, and 3 in the 3rd chain, because in the beginning we have 4 chain, and then here this is our first one stuck here, and then 2, and then 3. Insert your hook there, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through in that loop in your hook. So let's count our total of stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3. So you should have 23. No, I forgot, we should have chain 2 here, that's why. Okay, chain 2, 1 and 2. I missed that part. And then go to the 3rd chain, insert your hook, and place a slip stitch. So we should have a total of 25 stitches. Round 3, chain 6, yarn over and pull through. That's our first chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one, 6. Go to the 2nd chain from your hook. 1, 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull, and pull through in that loop in your hook to make a slip stitch. Go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, and grab that yarn and pull. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops in your hook. That is our first single crochet. That is single crochet. So now we're going to place 1/2 double crochet in the next. So yarn over once, go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, and grab that yarn and pull. We have 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, and pull through all that loops in your hook. Like that. So we're going higher, and now we're going to make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over once, go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So just like here. So we did it already here. Now we're going to make a triple crochet. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the last chain here, and then yarn over and pull. We have 4 loops in the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and that is triple crochet. And this is your work should look like. And then we're going to cover that here on the top, this one here. And then it goes like this, and this is the starting point of our star. So here, go on the top of this double crochet in the 3rd. So 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook on the top of that double crochet stitch. You see this one? Not in chain 2 space, but then here in the beginning of that, or in the last of double crochet on the top. Insert your hook, yarn over, and place one single crochet, yarn over and pull through 2, and there you go. And now go to chain 2 space, here this one, in the first chain 2 space, insert your hook, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm making one single crochet there to connect. And now I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're just going to repeat this one. Go to the second chain from your hook, make a slip stitch. One single crochet in the next, insert your hook, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to make 1/2 double crochet in the next, insert your hook in the next stitch. No. Yarn over, go to the next stitch or chain, yarn over and pull, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And then double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the next, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then triple crochet, yarn over once, yarn over twice. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Go to the next chain 2 space, yarn over, make one single crochet. So I hope you get the hang of it already. So we kinda use almost all the basic stitches: slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and triple crochet. And it's very easy. Chain 6 again, repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go to the second chain from your hook, make a slip stitch, go to the next stitch, make one single crochet, go to the next stitch, yarn over, and go to the next stitch or chain, place 1/2 double crochet, yarn over and go to the next chain, place 1 double crochet, yarn over twice, and this is the last one, place 1 triple crochet, 2 and 3. Go to the chain 2 space, place 1 single crochet. Very easy. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is your work should look like by now. And we have 2 more to go and we are done with our star. It's very easy. So you just have to repeat this one all the way around here. And I'm gonna meet you once I'm here. So go to the second chain from your hook, make a slip stitch, go to the next chain, place 1 single crochet, go to the next chain, place 1/2 double crochet, yarn over once, and 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1, 2, and then yarn over 1, yarn over twice, place 1 triple crochet, go to the chain 2 space, place 1 single crochet. This is our 4th star triangle. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the last one. Go to the second chain from your hook. We're just repeating here over and over again. And go to the next, place 1 single crochet, go to the next, place 1/2 double crochet, go to the next, place one double crochet, go to the next, place one triple crochet, 1, 2 and 3, go to chain 2 space, place one single crochet. So once you're here, go to this one here, to this stitch here in the edge, insert your hook, yarn over, pull and pull through, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. So very easy. And there you go, you have your star already. So this one I will hide the rest of the yarn. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull, go to the next stitch or chain or stitch, yarn over and pull, go to the next at the back, so just to hide the rest of your yarn, then it looks more cleaner. You can cut it already if you want, so just like that, and I cut it there, or I just leave it there on the top, so it's really up to you. So I go here on the top and then I will take that there, and there you go, we have a handle already. And this one here I will hide it also, so insert your hook anywhere that you can find a stitch and insert your hook and pull, do the same like the one before. Or I will insert my hook here in these loops, you can see, so insert your hook there, sorry, and then grab that like that, and that, and that, and that, and pull that yarn. So there you go, I'll cut the rest of that and I'm done already. So there you go, it's super easy, and we have our star already. You can make as many as you want with many different kinds of color. It's super nice, fast and easy once you get the hang of it. That's it for this video.